Yo, so I wanted to talk about delusions, or I wanted to talk about schizophrenia, um, symptoms that I've experienced. Um, so, schizophrenia symptoms that I've experienced. So, first of all, delusions, thinking everybody's a demon. That couldn't possibly be true because we fight a battle um, between we fight not of flesh and blood, but of principalities and demonic forces. So, um, yeah, that couldn't possibly be true. And then also thinking that I was suffering for God. Um, it was a lie. That wouldn't be. So, anyways, just a few different things with delusions. Um, also, thinking, hallucinating, thinking, like I don't know. Not crying. I'm just. Um, uh, anyways, I mean, I was falling over, and and having thinking the Holy Spirit was controlling my body when it was probably not the Holy Spirit, um, walking. So yeah, it was definitely a few different things, but and then also like another thing nobody talks about, or very few people talk about, is taking showers with schizophrenia. It's just so, I don't know what it is, but I never struggled with taking showers before, but it's just with schizophrenia, you just, I don't know, not everybody struggles with it, I guess, but it's just, I don't know, it's a struggle. Um, it's not just because I'm soft, I've got that comment, but I'm just like, no. Um, it definitely was different before I had schizophrenia. I can't really explain it, but it's just harder to take care of yourself, hygiene wise, on with schizophrenia. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you, but um, that's and then what else? Uh, yeah, that's a few symptoms of schizophrenia. That's just a quick video.